3D printing has completely changed the way we create, making it easier than ever to turn ideas into real, physical objects. Whether you're building detailed prototypes, creating custom projects at home, or just getting started with 3D printing, the right printer can make all the difference. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best 3D printers available right now, highlighting their standout features and what to look for before making your choice. All the products featured are linked in the description below. Let's jump in. Number 1. The Bambu Lab X1 Carbon is the kind of 3D printer that makes you rethink what's possible right out of the box. Whether you're a hobbyist bringing creative ideas to life, an engineer prototyping new designs, or a small business producing functional parts, the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon is built to help you print faster, smarter, and with incredible consistency. Instead of spending hours tweaking settings and troubleshooting failed prints, you can focus on what really matters, turning your ideas into reality. What truly makes it stand out is its high-speed printing, excellent print quality, automatic calibration, and support for a wide range of materials. Intricate models come out with impressive detail, larger projects finish much faster than you'd expect, and the intelligent features help reduce the guesswork that often comes with 3D printing. Whether you're printing prototypes, decorative models, tools, or functional parts, it delivers results that feel professional from the very first layer. And that's where the real magic happens. It doesn't just print objects, it helps bring your imagination to life. Every successful print inspires your next project, making it easier to experiment, create, and build with confidence. It's the kind of machine that encourages you to keep designing because you know it can keep up with your ideas. To keep everything fully accurate and transparent, print quality, speed, and overall performance depend on the material used, model settings, printer maintenance, environmental conditions, and proper calibration. But if you're looking for a 3D printer that combines exceptional speed, outstanding print quality, smart automation, and reliable performance, the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon is one of the best choices for creators who want professional level results without the usual hassle. Number 2, the Creality K1 Max is the kind of 3D printer that makes you ask, how can it print something this big, this fast, and still look this good? Whether you're designing prototypes, building cosplay props, printing functional parts, or bringing creative ideas to life, the Creality K1 Max is built to help you turn ambitious projects into reality with speed and confidence. Instead of waiting endlessly for prints to finish, you can spend more time creating and less time watching the progress bar. What really makes it stand out is its large build volume, high-speed printing, automatic bed leveling, and AI-assisted monitoring features. Bigger projects fit without being split into multiple pieces, detailed models come out looking sharp, and the intelligent features help make printing more reliable and convenient. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy experience or an experienced maker chasing faster production, the K1 Max is designed to keep up with your creativity, and that's where the real magic happens. It doesn't just print models, it helps turn your biggest ideas into real, physical creations. From engineering prototypes and home projects to business products and artistic designs, the Creality K1 Max gives you the freedom to build with confidence and think bigger than ever before. It's the kind of machine that keeps inspiring your next project the moment the current one is finished, to keep everything fully accurate and transparent. Print quality, speed, AI-assisted features, and overall performance depend on the filament used, print settings, model design, printer maintenance, environmental conditions, and proper calibration. But if you're looking for a 3D printer that combines fast printing, a spacious build volume, smart features, and excellent overall value, the Creality K1 Max is a fantastic choice for creators who want to bring bigger ideas to life. Number 3, the Bambu Lab P2S is the kind of 3D printer that makes you feel like the only limit is your imagination. Whether you're creating functional prototypes, detailed models, custom tools, or starting your own small 3D printing business, the Bambu Lab P2S is designed to help you bring your ideas to life with impressive speed, precision, and reliability. Instead of spending hours troubleshooting failed prints, you can focus on designing, creating, and watching your ideas become real. What really makes it stand out is its high-speed printing, exceptional print quality, smart automation, and support for a wide range of materials. Complex designs come out with incredible detail, larger projects finish faster, and the intelligent features make the entire printing experience smoother and more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced maker, the P2S is built to keep up with your creativity and help you produce professional-looking results with confidence. And that's where the real magic happens. It doesn't just print objects, it transforms digital ideas into real creations you can hold in your hands. Every successful print inspires your next project, encouraging you to experiment, innovate, and create without limits. It's the kind of machine that keeps pushing your creativity forward every time you press the print button. To keep everything fully accurate and transparent, print quality, speed, and overall performance depend on the filament used, print settings, model design, printer maintenance, environmental conditions, and proper calibration. But if you're looking for a 3D printer that combines professional quality results, high-speed performance, smart features, and dependable reliability, the Bambu Lab P2S is a fantastic choice for creators who want to take their projects to the next level. Number 4, the Anycubic Cobra 3 is the kind of 3D printer that makes you think, I can't believe I made that myself. Whether you're printing prototypes, cosplay props, home gadgets, toys, or creative designs, the Anycubic Cobra 3 makes the entire process feel faster, easier, and far more enjoyable. Instead of spending hours troubleshooting failed prints, you can focus on bringing your ideas to life and watching them take shape layer by layer. What really makes it stand out is its fast printing speeds, excellent print quality, automatic leveling, and user-friendly design. From detailed miniatures to larger functional parts, it delivers clean, consistent results that make every finished project feel rewarding. Whether you're just getting started with 3D printing or looking to upgrade your current setup, the Cobra 3 gives you the confidence to tackle bigger and more ambitious creations. The intuitive setup means you'll spend less time adjusting settings and more time creating the projects you've always wanted to build. And with its reliable performance, you can confidently print everything from everyday practical items to impressive display pieces without constantly worrying about failed prints. And that's where the real magic happens. It doesn't just print objects, it turns your imagination into something you can actually hold. Every successful print pushes you to try something even bigger, making creativity feel exciting instead of complicated. It's the kind of machine that keeps inspiring new ideas every time you walk past it. To keep everything fully accurate and transparent, print quality, speed, and overall performance depend on the filament used, print settings, model design, printer maintenance, environmental conditions, and proper calibration. But if you're looking for a 3D printer that combines fast performance, reliable print quality, easy operation, and excellent value for money, the Anycubic Cobra 3 is a machine that's ready to turn your biggest ideas into reality. Number 5, the Prusa Core. One is the kind of 3D printer that makes you stop worrying about failed prints and start focusing on your next big idea. Whether you're creating prototypes, functional parts, detailed models, or creative projects, the Prusa Core 1 is built to deliver fast, precise, and reliable results that make every print feel rewarding. Instead of spending hours fine-tuning settings, you can spend more time designing and bringing your ideas to life. What really makes it stand out is its Core XY motion system, high-speed printing, excellent print quality, and enclosed design, helping you achieve clean, consistent results across a wide range of materials. From intricate designs to larger projects, it delivers the reliability that makers, engineers, and professionals can count on. And that's where the real magic happens. It doesn't just print objects, it transforms your ideas into reality with impressive consistency. Every successful print gives you the confidence to dream bigger and create more. To keep everything fully accurate and transparent, print quality, speed, and overall performance depend on the filament used. Print settings, model design, printer maintenance, environmental conditions, and proper calibration. But if you're looking for a 3D printer that combines professional-grade reliability, high-speed performance, exceptional print quality, and smart engineering, the Prusa Core 1 is a machine that's built to grow with your creativity. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.